Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the. Let us continue the questions from the chapter straight line. Today we will discuss the equation of lines perpendicular as well as parallel to a given line. How we can find the equation of a line which is parallel to a given line as well as which is perpendicular to a given line. You know that if the lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Similarly, the lines are perpendicular, their slopes are product of slope equal to -1. Using this concept, suppose that given line is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Then line parallel to the given line, that is one, is ax plus by plus lambda equals 0. Why we are taking ax plus by as it is? Because slope of this line is minus b by a. Slope of this line again minus b by a. Since you know that the slope of parallel lines are equal. That means let it be assumed as equation 2. Equation 2 gives the equation of a line parallel to the line that is represented by equation 1. Now we can find the equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. You know that the product of slopes of two perpendicular line is equal to -1. Now so that what is the technique is to be used? You have to interchange the coefficients of x and y. Y का coefficient को x में डालेंगे, x का coefficient को y में डालेंगे. Whatever the sign that you are going, you have to just take the opposite sign of that one. Because see, here the slope is minus b by a, here the slope is minus a by b. That means here slope of 1 is, that is let us assume it as m1 is equal to minus b by a. Now slope of 2, that is m2 is equal to a by b. Now m1 into m2 is equal to minus b by a into a by b, that is equal to -1. This is the basic concept that you are using to find the equation of a line parallel to given line is you have to just take the coefficient, the terms containing x and y as it is. The constant is to be changed by lambda. Lambda can be found out by the given conditions in the question. Similarly, for finding equation of line perpendicular to given line, you have to interchange. This is very important. Interchanging of the coefficient as well as sign is to be taken just opposite of the given one, and lambda that we can find out using the given lambda we can find using the given conditions in the question. Now let us start doing questions. I am taking example 1 just for introduction. Example 1, page number 23.84. Page number 23.84. You just open addition mark whenever you see the video. I am reading the question. Find equation of a line which is parallel to the line 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and passes through the point 5, minus 6. This I was telling you. आपको लैम्डा निकालने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कंडीशन आपको दिया होगा. See, since you are given you are asked to find equation of a line parallel to this one. Parallel में क्या करना पड़ता है? x और y को as it is लिखना है, constant को lambda assume करना है. Lambda can be, the value of lambda can be found out using the condition that the required line passes through the given point. Let it be equation number 1. Now, equation of line parallel to 1 is, what was the condition? Ax plus by plus lambda equal to 0. That means 3x minus 2y plus lambda equal to 0. That is the required the equation of the required line. Now we can find lambda. Since this passes through 5, minus 6, the point satisfies the equation 2. That is 2 passes through 5, minus 6 implies 3 into 5 minus 2 into minus 6 plus lambda equal to 0. That means 15 plus 12 plus lambda equal to 0. This is 12 implies lambda equal to minus 27. Question is not completing here. Now you have to put the value of lambda in which equation? 1 or 2? Yes, you have to put the equation in 2. You have to put the value of lambda in equation 2. That is, putting lambda equal to minus 27 in equation 2 gives 3x minus 2y minus 27 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line which is parallel to the given line. Parallel में सिर्फ x और y को as it is लेना है और constant lambda लेना है. Next question. This is a question related to the equation of a line parallel to a given line. Now let us do a question which is perpendicular to given line. I am reading the question. Example 2, page number 23.85. 23.85. I am reading the question. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 3, 4 perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. That means you are asked to find a line which is perpendicular to the given line. What is the given line? The given line is 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Whenever you are getting an equation, it is better to name the equation as 1, 2 like that. Now, you are asked to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line as well as that required line, that is required line passing through the point, passes through which point. You are given a point that I am telling you, you must be given some condition to find the value of the constant lambda. Passing through the point, which point? 3, 4. Passing through the point 3, 4. Now, first of all, we have to find the standard form of line perpendicular to 1. The line, equation of line perpendicular to 1. क्या होगा? मैंने क्या कहा था? We have to interchange the coefficient of x and y. x का coefficient क्या है? 3, y का 2. तो ये x के साथ में आएगा, ये y के साथ में आ जाएगा. बीच का साइन प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, जस्ट ऑपोजिट. माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 2x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0. If it is perpendicular है तो क्या होता है? 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 as it is आएगा. सॉरी, पैरेलल में 3x plus 2y plus lambda equal to 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. परपेंडिकुलर में कोएफिशिएंट इंटरचेंज होगा और बीच में साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. If it is given minus, then plus, otherwise plus minus. This is very important. The student used to write this as it is just by changing the sign. Students usually क्या करते हैं? इसको as it is लिखते हैं और बीच में माइनस साइन लगाते हैं. That is not the condition of perpendicularity. Now let it be equation number 2. Now we can find lambda. That means the second line is passing through the point 3, 4. That means 2 passes through 3, 4 implies what this point must satisfy the equation of this line. You can replace the value of x by 3 as well as the value of y by 4. That is 2 into 3. You can do it by in your mind also, but I am showing you so that you will not get confused. 3 into 4 plus lambda equal to 0. That implies 6 minus 12 plus lambda is equal to 0 implies lambda is equal to minus 6 becomes 6. Now this is not the last step of the question. Now you have to find the equation line perpendicular to given one. आपको जो पूछा गया वो इक्वेशन गिवन लाइन का परपेंडिकुलर है, तो हमको जहां हमने वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिया है परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का, वहां लैम्डा को रिप्लेस करना है. ये भी बच्चे मोस्टली भूल जाते हैं, लैम्डा फाइंड आउट करके छोड़ देते हैं. लैम्डा इज टू बी रिप्लेस in the required equation of the line. What is the required equation of the line? 2. Equation number 2. By putting lambda equal to 6 into, we get 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. That is the equation of the required line. That means we have discussed both of the questions. One is which is parallel to the given line as well as one is perpendicular to the given line. This question is this topic is important. In the parallel, you have to take the required line as ax plus by plus lambda equals 0. In perpendicular, bx minus ay plus lambda equals 0. Now I am doing example 4 of the same page number. This question is very important. This is a basic question for class 12 3D, 3-dimensional geometry. तो इसको अच्छी तरह समझना है. क्लास 12 में 3-dimensional geometry में foot of a perpendicular line from a given line to a given plane, foot of a perpendicular from given line to a given line, इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा. उसका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. And you just open Adi Sharma whenever you see the video. I am reading the question, very much important. Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2 से जो foot of the perpendicular आप बना रहे हो उसका coordinate you have to find. And the foot of perpendicular drawn from 1, minus 2 to the given line. Given line is to the line. To the line, the equation of line is given as y is equal to 2x plus 1. That means you are given a point. It is better to draw the figure. Let me rub this, otherwise I have to rub frequently. You are given the point, say P equal to 1 comma minus 2. Everybody knows that 1 comma minus 2 is fourth quadrant, but we are not going to any sign. We are just drawing it. And let the given line be. Given line be. Given line का equation क्या दे रखा है? You have to find the foot of perpendicular drawn from P. I am taking the point as P for convenience to the line given as y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now let the foot of perpendicular from P to the line be M. Now you have to find the coordinates of M. Actually the coordinate of M, let the equation of line can be named as AB. Actually M is the point of intersection of the lines PM and AB. PM और AB का point of intersection है M. तो हमको PM का इक्वेशन, और if you can find the equation of PM, अगर आप PM का इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं by solving the equation of PM as well as AB, you can find the point of intersection. Now we can find equation of PM. You know that PM is passing through the point 1 comma minus 2, so that you can use slope point form to find the equation of this PM. What is slope point form? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 is given as 1 comma minus 2. Now PM foot means perpendicular, means PM is perpendicular to AB. What is slope of A? How we can find slope of PM? Using the concept product of slope equal to minus 1. Slope of AB is equal to y equal to mx plus c के form में, तो m is the slope 2. Therefore slope of PM means minus 1 by 2, since both are perpendicular and product of slope. No need of finding this one, sorry. We just discussed that how we can find equation of line. इसमें उस तरह से भी आप कर सकते हैं, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप लेकर के बहुत बड़ा पड़ेगा, तो हम पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म की जगह पर सीधा इसका अभी जो फॉर्मूला बताया था bx माइनस ay प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल 0 यूज करेंगे, वो पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. दैट विल टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ टाइम मोर देन दिस वन. नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB इज, पहले इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखिए, 2x माइनस y प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0. इंटरचेंज करेंगे, y का कोएफिशिएंट इधर आएगा 1 प्लस माइनस इज बिकम प्लस 2y प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल टू 0. मींस 1 इंटू x माइनस 2 इंटू y, मतलब इंटरचेंज करना है, 1 इधर आएगा 2 इधर आ जाएगा, साइन चेंज होगा. लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू AB, दैट इज हुज इक्वेशन, उसका इक्वेशन क्या अज्यूम किया आपने, हुज इक्वेशन इज 2x माइनस y प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 0 इज x प्लस 2y प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल टू 0. इसलिए हमने ये प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ स्लोप को यूज नहीं किया कि ये ज्यादा इजी एंड शॉर्टर मेथड है. नाउ लेट इट बी इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ PM. सिंस PM is perpendicular to AB, we have assumed the equation of AB is x plus 2y plus lambda equals 0. Now we can find lambdas by using the condition this is passing through 1 comma minus 2. Now 1 passes through 1 comma minus 2 gives 1 minus 2 plus lambda is equal to 0. 1 minute. What is 1 comma, let me check the point. 1 comma minus 3. 1 minus 2y. 2y means 2 into 2, 4. 1 minus 4 plus lambda equal to 0 implies lambda equal to 3. Therefore 1 becomes x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. This is 2. Now we got the equation of PM as x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. We are given equation of this AB is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. How we can find the point of intersection? Just by solving both the equation. How we can solve the equation? Let me write first equation, x plus, what was the first equation? This one can be written as first equation. Given line 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the given line, and perpendicular line's equation is x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now you have to eliminate it. How we can eliminate it? The first equation, let it be as it is, plus 1 equal to 0, by multiplying second equation by 2, so that the coefficient becomes equal. 2x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to, this is 0, 0. Now by subtraction, you will get, 1 minute, let me check. 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the first equation. Second is x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. We have multiplied this equation by 2, that is 2x plus 2 into 2, 4y plus 6 equal to 0. By subtraction, you will get minus 5y. Let me check. By subtraction, you will get minus 5y. Minus 5 is equal to 0. In Adi Sharma, it is given in cross multiplication method, but I am doing elimination. Y is equal to minus 1. Now, in order to find the value of x, it is better to use this one. Y equal to minus 1 in 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 implies 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to minus 2 implies x equal to minus 1. Therefore, the foot of perpendicular from the given point to the given line, that is foot of perpendicular M from P to given line, that you have to conclude like this. Then your mark will not be reduced, as xy means minus 1 comma minus 1. This is the third question. This question is very important, and in this question it is use the equation of line perpendicular given line using the condition bx minus ay plus lambda equal to 0, and find the value of lambda, form two equation and solve it. You will get a point of intersection. Next question is, there are number of questions. Whatever the question I am leaving, you have to do by yourself. I can't do each and every question because this chapter is too long. Example 6, 23.86, page number 23.86. I am reading the question. This is the question based on trigonometry. Then also we have to do, show that the equation of line passing through the point a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta, and perpendicular to the line x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to a is x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. That is the question. आपको इस लाइन का परपेंडिकुलर का इक्वेशन बनाना है जो इस पॉइंट से a cos क्यूब थीटा a sin क्यूब थीटा से पास भी हो रहा है और इसका परपेंडिकुलर हो रहा है, तो इस फॉर्म में लाना है x cos थीटा माइनस y sin थीटा इक्वल टू a cos 2 थीटा. कैसे करेंगे? लेट इट बी इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू 1 क्या होगा? जस्ट इंटरचेंज the coefficient of x is sec theta, coefficient of y is cosec theta, that is x cosec theta. हमने दोनों coefficient को इंटरचेंज कर लिया, a sin प्लस था माइनस कर दिया, this is y sec theta प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल टू 0. ये a नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि हमको उस कांस्टेंट को चेंज करना है. अब आपको क्या दे रखा है? You are given that how we can find lambda. For finding lambda, given that the required line passes through this point a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. That means given that 2 passes through a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. मैंने कहा था जब भी इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आपको लैम्डा फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कंडीशन में भी डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा. That implies you have to replace this by x and this one, that is a cos cube theta sec theta minus y sec theta. Y is a sin cube theta. A sin cube theta sec theta plus lambda is equal to 0. That implies lambda is equal to a sin cube theta. If you want to take a common, you can take it. No need of taking it. If you take it, then also put इन दोनों में से a आप कॉमन ले सकते हैं. इसको राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. a sin क्यूब थीटा सेक थीटा माइनस cos क्यूब थीटा. 1 minute. a sin क्यूब थीटा कोसेक, दिस इज कोसेक थीटा. x कोसेक थीटा माइनस y सेक थीटा प्लस लैम्डा को 0 में पुट करेंगे. x को क्या देना है? a cos क्यूब थीटा कोसेक थीटा. y इज a sin क्यूब थीटा सेक थीटा कोसेक थीटा ऑलरेडी इसमें है प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल 0. तो लैम्डा इक्वल टू a इंटू साइन क्यूब थीटा sin cube theta sec theta, this is right, minus cos cube theta cosec theta, that is the value of lambda. हमने इसको चेंज नहीं किया क्योंकि नेक्स्ट स्टेप में जब वैल्यू पुट करेंगे उसमें कुछ ना कुछ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूला अप्लाई हो जाएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज लिटिल बिट lengthy so that I have to replace it. Now putting the value of lambda is equal to this one, otherwise it will be case number 2, let it be case number 1. Putting 2 in 1 gives, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या था, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हमने जो बनाया था परपेंडिकुलर इक्वेशन x कोसेक थीटा माइनस y सेक थीटा प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल 0 था, दैट इज x कोसेक थीटा माइनस y सेक थीटा प्लस लैम्डा इक्वल 0 इज द इक्वेशन 1. वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा इज इक्वेशन 2. इसमें पुट करेंगे यू विल गेट x कोसेक थीटा माइनस y सेक थीटा. लैम्डा का वैल्यू क्या निकला था, लैम्डा इज a इंटू sin cube theta, let me check the value, sin cube theta sec theta minus cos cube theta, sin cube theta sec theta minus cos cube theta cosec theta, cos cube theta cosec theta equal to 0. Now cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, that is x by sin theta minus y by cos theta plus a into, this can be written as sin cube theta by cos theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta. सबको sin और cos में चेंज कर लिया. That implies x cos theta minus y sin theta is plus a into, by cross multiplication this is sin raised to the power 4 theta minus cos raised to the power 4 theta equal to 0. Sin theta cos theta LCM, if you transfer to right side it becomes 0, that is x cos theta माइनस y sin थीटा. ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आएगी, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू दिस इज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. a स्क्वायर इज sin स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, b स्क्वायर इज cos स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज इनटू sin स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट इंप्लाइज x cos थीटा माइनस y sin थीटा, दिस इज 1. अब एक फॉर्मूला है cos 2 थीटा, भी तो आपको याद करना है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में पढ़ेंगे cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है, इस फॉर्मूला का यूज करना है. इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करेंगे तो उसको यूज करने के लिए यू हैव टू चेंज द माइनस साइन आउटसाइड सो दैट दिस बिकम्स इन द फॉर्म cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज cos 2 थीटा इज cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा implies x cos थीटा माइनस y sin थीटा, x cos थीटा माइनस y sin थीटा माइनस a इंटू cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. क्यों चेंज कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन द प्रूफ दैट यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड, इन द प्रूफ that you are asked to find out is in the form of a cos 2 theta, a cos 2 theta लाना आपको, इसलिए इस फॉर्मूला का अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. That implies x cos theta minus y sin theta minus a cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Implies x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta. That is the proof. Next question, let me check it. Example 7, same page number, that is also very important. ये भी आपको 12th class के लिए important है. Through 3D में page number is 23.86. I am reading the question. Find the image of the point minus 8, 12 with respect to the line mirror 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. You are asked to find image of the point to the line mirror. Mirror means अगर आपने एक लाइन को लेकर के उस पॉइंट का इमेज इधर से पूछा गया है, मतलब लाइन इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री हो जाएगा. दैट इज टू द लाइन मिरर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. line mirror, the whose equation is given by 4x plus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले just draw the figure. Suppose that you are given this point, जो लाइन दे रखा है, let it be the horizontal one for convenience, 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0, and the point whose mirror image is found out is minus 8, 12. Since this is mirror image, I told you the image of this point, the point from this point of intersection of the line and the line joining the point and image, and this distance is same. Let the image of, let it be the point, this point को क्या नाम देते हैं Q, and let this point be R. Let the image of P minus 8,12 be alpha, beta. हमने P का image under this line use assume किया alpha, beta. अब देखिए मिरर इमेज मीन्स द डिस्टेंस पी आर और डिस्टेंस क्यू आर इक्वल होगा, अदरवाइज इमेज शुड नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड. इमेज का कंडीशन है, आप एक मिरर में रिफ्लेक्ट करोगे, आपका इमेज जितना पीछे है उसका डिस्टेंस और ये जहां से पॉइंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट आ रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट का और मिरर का बीच का डिस्टेंस इक्वल आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स सिंस दीज टू डिस्टेंस आर इक्वल, दैट मीन्स आर इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ पी क्यू. R is the midpoint of PQ. Now you are asked to find alpha and beta. That means you have to find two variables. For finding two variables, there must be two equations. First equation will be formed using midpoint formula. Second, since it is mirror image, it is perpendicular bisector. Product of slope of this PQ and the given line is -1. Then R is the midpoint of PQ. Therefore, R is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, alpha minus 8 by 2, comma beta plus 12 by 2. That is by midpoint formula. Let the given line be equation 1. Since R किस लाइन में लगे हो रहा है, 4x plus 7y plus 13 में लगे हो रहा है. Since R lies on 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0, you can replace this by 4 into alpha minus 8 by 2 plus x is replaced by this one, and y is 7 into beta plus 12 by 2 plus 30 is equal to 0. Now I am rubbing the figure. बार figure नहीं रख सकते because of the shortage of space. Now by solving it, what you will get? This becomes, it will be cut, 4 and 2 get cancelled 2 times. 2 alpha minus 16. Let me check. 2 alpha minus 16 plus 7 beta plus 84 by 2 by taking LCM like that plus 13 is equal to 0. Now again you have to simplify it. That means again by taking LCM, 4 alpha minus 32 plus 7 beta plus 84 plus 26 is equal to 0. By solving it you will get 4 alpha plus 7 beta. Now see, 84 plus 26 is 110 minus 32 is 78 plus 78 equal to 0. That is, we got one equation containing alpha beta. Now one more equation is to be made using the condition product of slope equal to -1. Now slope of given line, you have to see the figure from R.D. Sharma because I can't मैं यहाँ बोर्ड में इसको बार बार नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. स्लोप ऑफ द गिवन लाइन क्या था? गिवन लाइन इज 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. इसको y equal to mx plus c के फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे. You will get it as equal to -4 by 7. Now slope of PQ कैसे मिलेगा? What is the formula for finding equation of line passing through two given points? y2 x1 y1 x2 y2, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is alpha beta is x2 y2, x2 y2 is alpha beta, x1 y1 is -8, 12. That is slope of PQ equal to beta minus 12 upon alpha plus 2. Sorry, 2 नहीं है, 8 है. Alpha plus -8, 12 is the point. Equation 2, this is equation number 3, this is equation number 2. Now you know that since PM is perpendicular to given lines, product of slope equal to, that is 2 into 3 equal to -1. That implies -4 by 7 into beta minus 12 upon alpha plus 8 is equal to -1. By solving this you will get, I am not going to show you every step, 7 alpha minus 4 beta plus 104 is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Now you have to solve it. This is not given in R.D. Sharma. आपको solve करने का वो steps R.D. Sharma में नहीं दे रखा है. तो let me write the first equation. First equation is 4 alpha plus 7 beta plus 78 is equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Let us assume this. And 2 और 3 already हो गया. इसको 4 assume कर लेते हैं. 7 alpha minus, this is 104, 4 beta plus 104 is equal to 0. It is equation number 4. 2 और 3 हमने स्लोप्स ले लिया. अब इसको आपको सॉल्व करना है. इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सेकंड को 7 से. तो वी विल गेट 28 अल्फा प्लस 49 बीटा प्लस 546 is equal to 0. This is beta. Again 28, सेकंड इक्वेशन को 7 से करेंगे. 28 अल्फा माइनस 16 बीटा प्लस 4 से करेंगे तो 416 is equal to 0. 4 4s are 16, 4 0 1, 1 4s are 4. Now by subtraction, elimination, we will get what is here 49 plus 16, that is 65 beta is equal to, if you transfer to that side, otherwise 69 beta, let me check, plus 130 is equal to 0 जाएगा. देखिए, now implies 65 beta is equal to minus 130, implies beta is equal to minus 130 by 65, that is equal to minus 2. That is, we got the value of beta equal to minus 2. Now कोई भी एक इक्वेशन ले सकते हैं. 1 को लेते हैं 4 इंटू अल्फा माइनस 7 इंटू प्लस 7 इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 78 is equal to 0. That implies 4 alpha minus 14 plus 78 is equal to 0. Implies 4 alpha is equal to 78 minus 78 plus 14, that is minus 64. Implies alpha is equal to minus 64 by 4, implies alpha equal to minus 60. Therefore, ये आपको एडिशन में स्टेप नहीं बताया, मैं स्टेप बता रही हूँ. Therefore, the image of minus 8 comma 12 is minus 16 comma alpha beta minus 16 comma minus 2. This is very important question. इसको कम से कम 2-3 बार करिए, ये क्लास 12 में काम आएगा. Now let us go to next question. Example 8. Example 8, page number 23.87. Page number 23.87. I am reading the question. This is level 2 question. Don't get nervous because this question is from NCERT. A person is standing at a junction crossing of two straight paths represented by the line 2x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Wants to reach the path whose equation is 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0 in the least time. Find the equation of the paths that he should follow. There are 3 paths. Let me draw the figure. 3 paths है. First path is like that, and second path let me draw like this. And a person is standing off the junction of the two straight path. ये दोनों जंक्शन के बीच में मतलब पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन में खड़ा है. And this equation, the line of equation of this line path is straight path is given as 2x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. And this line is given as 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. स्पेस की कमी है, इसे ध्यान से समझना. एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू, क्या करना चाह रहा है? ही वॉन्ट्स टू रीच द पाथ. एक थर्ड पाथ है, लेट मी थर्ड पाथ है, इसे ड्रॉ कर रही हूं, ध्यान से समझना. पेज नंबर मैंने हटा दिया, आपको मैंने बता दिया था मेरे. दिस इज द सेकेंड पाथ, दिस इज द थर्ड पाथ. थर्ड पाथ इक्वेशन इज गिवन एज 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. And he want to reach from this junction of these two paths, to at least time पे ये यहाँ से ये थर्ड पाथ पर पहुंचना चाह रहे हैं. लीस्ट टाइम मीन्स द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, परपेंडिकुलर जाना पड़ेगा उसको. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट, लेट इट बी P, टू द लाइन. ये निकालना है. नाउ हाउ कैन यू फाइंड दिस? इसको कैसे निकाल सकते हैं आप इसको फाइंड आउट करेंगे. लेट मी चेक. और इसको सॉल्व करते वक्त आपको मिलेगा. तो यू आर गिवन 2 इक्वेशंस, लेट इट बी 2x. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये एक आदमी है, 2 वापस में इसके मतलब बताती हूँ. देयर इज अ पर्सन हु इज स्टैंडिंग द जंक्शन ऑफ 2 स्ट्रेट पाथ एट द पॉइंट P. ही वांट्स टू रीच द थर्ड पाथ इन लीस्ट टाइम. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू गो, he has to go in perpendicular way. That means, and you are asked to find the equation of this path. That means you know let the path be like this. परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है. ये परपेंडिकुलर हो गया। अब आपको पीएम का इक्वेशन निकालना है। पीएम का इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए पॉइंट तो आ गया, तो पॉइंट स्लोप में बनाने के लिए इसका स्लोप चाहिए। तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, इसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालना है। -4 इक्वल टू 0, दैट इज 3x माइनस 4y माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0। इसको करेंगे 6x माइनस 9y माइनस 12 इक्वल टू 0। दीज आर नॉट गिवन आर डी शर्मा, यू हैव टू डू 6x माइनस 8y माइनस 10 इक्वल टू 0। आप सॉल्व करेंगे, दिस बिकम 1, दैट इज माइनस y माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0। लेट मी चेक, implies y इज इक्वल टू -2। तो y कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया इसका -2। x कोऑर्डिनेट इसमें पुट करेंगे 2x माइनस 6 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0, implies 2x is equal to -2 and x equal to -1. That is, therefore p, the coordinate of p is -1, -2. तो coordinate of p आपका आ गया -1, -2. Now in order to find the equation of pm, let pm be the foot of, let pm be perpendicular from the point of junction to the third path. तो आपको इसका इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए 1 पॉइंट तो आ गया, स्लोप निकालने के लिए सिंस दीज टू pm is perpendicular to third path, so that implies product of slope equal to -1. What is slope of this one? 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. इसका स्लोप क्या होगा? y is equal to 6/7x plus 8. That is, slope is equal to 6/7. But you are asked to find slope of pm. Therefore, slope of pm is equal to -7/6. Now, by point slope form, equation of pm can be obtained formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. ये pm का आपका स्लोप क्या निकला? -7/6. Now putting the values, x1 y1 is replaced by -1, -2, that is y plus 2, implies y plus 2 is equal to -7/6 into x plus 1. Now by solving it, I am not going to show you all the step. By solving it, you get 7x plus 6y plus 9d is equal to 0. This is the question of level 2, not so difficult. Once more I am repeating. आपको दो पाथ का जंक्शन पॉइंट दे रखा है, हमने जंक्शन पॉइंट को पी ले लिया, उसमें से थर्ड पाथ का लीस्ट टाइम में पहुंचने वाला रास्ते का इक्वेशन पूछा गया। तो सबसे पहले हमने दोनों को सॉल्व करके पी निकाला। लीस्ट टाइम मतलब लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होना चाहिए, तो इसका स्लोप और परपेंडिकुलर का स्लोप का प्रोडक्ट -1 से स्लोप मिला था -7/6, फिर पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म निकाला। This much is today's question. And before concluding this chapter, concluding today's class, I want to say you the topics which are deleted. You just mark these topics with me when I am saying you. First topic that is deleted is this is not deleted. This was not in our course. First one is distance form of line. Distance form of line deleted है, ये करना नहीं आपको. Distance form of line. Form of a line. First topic. Second topic is, let me take it. Second topic is, there are 4 topics that is not in our course, not deleted course. That actually they were not in our course previously also. Second topic is, let me go through it. Position of 2 points. Position of 2 points. Position of 2 points relative to a line. Relative to a line. Third point is family of straight line. Third point is, let me check it. Area of parallelogram भी है, उससे पहले family of straight line आ रहा है. Let me go through it. Distance form, and third point is distance between. Let me go through it. Family of lines through the intersection of 2 given lines. Through intersection of 2 given lines. Fourth one is area of parallelograms. Area of parallelograms. Parallelograms. These are the omitted topic. डिस्टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ ए लाइन, या जब आरडी में है लेकिन पहले से हम नहीं पढ़ाते कि ये आगे काम नहीं आ रहा है. पोजिशन ऑफ 2 पॉइंट्स relative to a line, family of lines passing through intersection of 2 given lines, area of parallelogram. These 4 topics are not to be done. I hope that you have got a clear idea of today's questions discussed. See you again. Thank you.